How you doing? Thanks for tuning in to Wicked Warnings. My name is George, and we're your #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting and equipment. I brought you here to our shop to talk to you today about this new product called the Wicked Warnings Auto Flasher, or WAF module. And what this product does is it integrates with your factory lighting, much like what you see here on our shop truck, and allows you to use your factory lighting as safety or emergency lighting as well. It's available for 12-volt systems. It runs on the positive side of the electrical system and allows you to completely isolate and interrupt the factory lighting and add flash patterns that you choose. Once you wire it in, it completely isolates your vehicle's computer, protecting it 100%. You can choose from one of 29 available flash patterns. The WAF also features an additional steady-on wire, the white wire. And as you can see here on the shop truck, you can steady any light that you would like, as well as flash it. This is very useful for some flood or scene lighting. So let me tell you a little bit more about what the product does and how it works, how it wires in. Basically, what we've done is we've separated the module for convenience. This side, with your red and white, this is your control side. You have your red wire. This is going to be your power for your flashing. You have your white wire. This is going to be your power for your steady flood mode. Then you have your blue wire. This is going to be your flash pattern adjustment. The yellow wire is your synchronization. This is used when you have more than one module. Black, this is your ground, simply negative. Now on the output side of the harness, you've got your input and output, two channels here. You have your input output 1 and your input output 2, and these are both going to be related to the factory wiring and the factory lighting that you want to flash. We also have created the extension cables for these, and as you can see, they're color matched with the orange and green and yellow and white to make it very easy to extend from the module to the lighting that you need to flash. For instance, fog lighting, you would mount the module up under the hood and you would extend these wires provided down to the fog lights. On the extension wires, we've also printed the input and output code for the colors. We sell it in a variety of ways. Specific vehicle versions. When you buy a specific vehicle version, you're not only going to get the product itself, but you're also going to get these extension wires, which we've manufactured right here. We will provide you with the necessary wire extensions and the auto flasher in your specific kit. We have assembled quite a number of how-to videos where I film exactly which wire and how to install this product. To learn a little bit more about this module, be sure to visit wickedwarnings.com or send an email in to us with any questions, and we'll be happy to talk to you about it.